Welcome to Taverna Costera. I'm Chef Chris, and today I'm going to be making you my clams and spam. And I promise you this is a recipe that's going to be easier than it sounds. So this is a beer-based broth. Definitely need your clams, definitely need your spam, and of course, one of my favorite ingredients, Aloha Shoyu and Aloha Shoyu's Teriyaki sauce. And you need your cherry tomatoes, and you need your Maui onions. Depending on the clams you use, clam juice is important. Also a little black pepper, paprika, and some fresh garlic. Let's get to the kitchen and get started. So first thing you do is you get your spam on the grill and you get a really nice sear on it. Make sure when you're doing your spam is crispy on both sides. You also want to take one of your pieces of spam halfway through the grilling process, drop it into the broth to allow that flavor of spam to get into your broth. The remaining parts of your spam will be sliced and put on the top for presentation. You drop your beer broth, your choice. I prefer lager, any lager, but Bud Light, Coors Light is probably my preference. I start with adding my beer. I open up the can, I take a sip. I do a half a can of beer. I add my cherry tomatoes. My sweet Maui onions. Also, make sure you put your Aloha Shoyu and your Aloha Shoyu Teriyaki sauce in the beginning so it all simmers together, and you bring that to a boil and then let it reduce until the clams open up. Then you add your paprika, your fresh garlic, and your black pepper. You're gonna wanna let this boil for about 10 minutes so all these flavors can come together. The last step you want to do is add your heavy cream. Bring that to a boil. Then reduce the heat and add your butter. And here you have it, guys. Chef Chris's original clams and spam.